I just wanted to show you guys where I'm at right now. So, this is the old kind of faucet, and this one probably hasn't been messed with in a long time. And realistically, only way to get them off is to saw them off. And so I came down here with my Sawzall, alright, and real delicately got it to a certain point where I cut all the way through pretty good. And I knew I did. And then I took my big screwdriver and I went through here and I was able to get in there and I pried it, and now you can see it's broken loose, and it will move now, right? And I've done these enough times that if you don't do this, there you go, see how it's moving now? Yeah. But you cannot, there it goes. You'll take the faucet off inside and do damage to the faucet before you get this nut off. Whenever it's old, I'm just telling you guys, the best way to do it, truly, is to cut it and get it all the way through. I almost cut it all the way through, right? And then I took my screwdriver in there and I just popped it and broke it free. And see, I've cut through a little bit of the threads, there's no doubt there, but the old new one will still go on, and it won't have any problem. All right, I don't think. Okay.